Maximum baling density, easy to operate with an impressive acreage output. All in one compact, powerful overall package. This is the KRONE VariPack, the professional round baler in a simple design. Select from two models with variable bale chamber. With the VariPack V165, the diameter can be infinitely adjusted from 80 centimeters to 1,65 meters. The VariPack V190 forms bales from 80 centimeters to 1,90 meters. Both balers are available with or without cutting unit. The swath is gathered neatly by a 2 meters 15 wide easy flow pickup. The camless build ensures smooth running and low wear. A clutch protects the drive from overload. The standard crop press roller unit ensures a smooth forage flow, even at high driving speeds. The pickup is guided over the ground by large guide wheels. In the XC variant, the VariPack is equipped with a powerful cutting unit. A large integral rotor pulls the crops from the pickup through the 17 blades. The small distance between the tines and blades guarantees a smooth, precise cut. The unit is driven by just one chain, low maintenance and efficient. The blades are individually secured against overload and can be conveniently removed from the rear of the blade cassette. As a standard, the VariPack is equipped with a blade group control system. Via a shaft, you can select whether to use all blades, half a set, or no blades. Crop blockage? No problem. Via the control unit, swivel out the blade cassette and lower the drop floor. The chamber will be free again in no time at all. In the variant, without a cutting unit, a large feed rotor provides for the material flow. Here, too, the channel bottom can be lowered hydraulically to quickly remove blockages. 3 endless flat belts form the bale chamber. Hydraulic clamping cylinders on both sides regulate the baling pressure. This technology ensures the greatest possible compression, especially with dry crops. In wet conditions, the standard cleaning rollers and an optional second drive ensure that the bale is formed neatly. The bale diameter and baling pressure are infinitely adjustable on the terminal. Whether hard or soft core, the VariPack can do both. The baling pressure can be variably set in 3 zones, depending on the harvesting conditions. A direction display helps the driver to fill the bale chamber evenly. This means that even inexperienced drivers can produce optimum bales straight away. Net wrapping is fitted as standard, fast, clean, and right over the edges. Also available with double twine tying on request. The tying unit is easily visible from the tractor and easily accessible from both sides, optionally with a folding net chute for fast net changing. There is space for up to 3 net rolls or 12 spools of twine under the panel. Bale ejection is fast and controlled. After wrapping, the damp tailgate opens and closes in just 5 seconds, on request with bale ejector. A bale clamp is available for the VariPack for bale discharge on slopes. 2 catch arms hold the bale securely after the tailgate has been opened, perfect on slopes or for precise placement. The bale can be set down in a controlled manner at the desired location, flexibly, depending on requirements and operating conditions. The VariPack is ISO-bus ready. It can be operated with the various CCI ISO-bus terminals or via any ISO-bus terminal in the tractor. Alternatively, the machine can also be controlled using the straightforward KRONE DS100 or DS500 terminal. Large side hoods reliably protect chains and drives from dirt. With a mechanical claw coupling, the drive of the intake can be decoupled from the bale chamber on all cutting unit machines. Automatic chain tensioning, central lubrication, and convenient grease points simplify maintenance and extend the lifetime. Moisture measurement, LED work lights, and a camera system for controlled bale ejection are available as special equipment. With the KRONE Smart Control Telemetry unit, harvesting operations can be optimally organised and digitally documented. Thanks to the KRONE Bale app, the placement point of the bales and the moisture in the field can be precisely tracked. And with TIM, the Tractor Implement Management System, the baler even controls the tractor. Automatic stopping, ejecting bales, closing the chamber, all fully automated and without driver intervention. Ultra-hard bales, maximum baling density, great ease of operation. That's the KRONE VariPack. Compact, variable, and efficient.